A healthy life starts with healthy kidneys. Kidneys are the unsung heroes of your body. They filter out waste and toxins, regulate blood pressure, and maintain a healthy balance of fluids and electrolytes. But did you know that kidney disease affects more than 37 million people in the United States alone? Ever wondered how food can protect your kidneys? Today we're unveiling the ultimate top 10 foods that boost your kidneys. Let's dig in. Number 10. Watermelon. Watermelon is over 90% water, keeping you well hydrated. This helps kidneys remove waste and toxins efficiently. It's a good source of potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure and support overall kidney function. Watermelon is loaded with antioxidants, which may protect against kidney damage and inflammation. It's naturally low in sodium, making it a kidney-friendly choice for those watching their salt intake. Enjoy it sliced, diced, in salads, or blended into a refreshing smoothie. Number 9. Cauliflower. Its high fiber content can help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of kidney complications in people with diabetes. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, cauliflower can help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. To add cauliflower to your diet, try roasting it for a crispy, guilt-free snack, or mash it as a tasty alternative to mashed potatoes. You can also toss it in stir-fries or blend it into creamy soups. Number 8. Cabbage. Cabbage is naturally low in potassium, making it a safe choice for individuals with kidney issues, as it won't overload them with this mineral. Its high fiber content aids digestion and can prevent constipation, which is essential for overall kidney health. The presence of potassium and antioxidants in cabbage can help regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of kidney damage. Cabbage contains sulfur compounds that assist the body in detoxifying harmful substances, taking some burden off your kidneys. Being low in calories and high in fiber, cabbage can be a helpful addition to a weight management plan, reducing the risk of obesity-related kidney issues. Number 7. Apples. Apples provide essential vitamins like vitamin C, which can help reduce the risk of kidney infections and promote overall kidney well-being. The fiber in apples supports a healthy digestive system, indirectly benefiting the kidneys by preventing digestive issues that can impact renal function. Number 6. Onions. Some studies suggest that onion consumption may be associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, which can indirectly support overall health, including kidney health. Onions are a rich source of quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that may help reduce the risk of kidney stones by inhibiting crystal formation. Onions contain prebiotics, which nourish the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is indirectly linked to better kidney health. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic may help lower high blood pressure, which is vital for kidney health as hypertension is a leading cause of kidney problems. Garlic has natural antibacterial properties that can help protect against kidney infections. It supports the body's natural detoxification processes, reducing the workload on the kidneys. Garlic can assist in regulating blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of kidney complications in people with diabetes. Number 4. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a good source of beta-carotene, which can promote healthy skin. Healthy skin is essential because skin issues can sometimes be a reflection of kidney health. The high levels of vitamin A and carotenoids in red bell peppers can contribute to better eye health, reducing the risk of eye-related complications associated with kidney disease. Red bell peppers contain iron, which can be beneficial for people with kidney disease who are at risk of anemia. Adequate iron levels can help prevent anemia and its associated symptoms. Now let's get into the top 3. Number 3. Fish. Fish is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for maintaining and repairing kidney tissues. Most fish varieties are naturally low in saturated fat, making them a heart-healthy choice that indirectly benefits kidney function. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect the kidneys from damage. Some studies suggest that fish consumption may help reduce proteinuria, which is an excess excretion of protein in the urine, a common symptom of kidney disease. Fish contains essential nutrients like vitamin D, selenium, and B vitamins, supporting overall health and well-being, including kidney function. Number 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are a good source of vitamin K, which plays a role in blood clotting and bone health. They contain folate, vitamin B9, which is essential for cell division and overall health. Certain leafy greens like kale and collard greens are good sources of calcium, which supports bone health. This is especially important for individuals with kidney disease who may be at risk of bone problems. Leafy greens are a good source of folate, which is essential for the production of red blood cells. This helps maintain healthy blood and oxygen transport to the kidneys. Number 1. Berries. Certain compounds in berries, such as proanthocyanins, may help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, by preventing harmful bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract lining, which can indirectly benefit the kidneys. Some studies suggest that berries, especially blueberries, can improve microcirculation in the kidneys, which can contribute to better renal function. The high water content in berries can promote hydration and reduce the risk of kidney stone formation, especially when combined with their low oxalate levels. Berries' antioxidants may have anti-aging effects on the kidneys by reducing oxidative stress and protecting kidney tissues from damage. Berries' vitamin C content can strengthen the immune system, potentially helping the body fight off infections that could affect the kidneys. Incorporating these kidney-friendly foods into your diet can be a delicious and proactive way to support your kidney health. Remember, though, that everyone's health journey is unique. So, before making significant dietary changes, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional who can provide personalized advice on your kidney health. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Share which kidney-friendly foods are already a part of your diet. If you're interested in seeing a video where we discuss foods to steer clear of, simply drop the word "avoid" in the comment section. Your feedback helps us tailor our content to your needs. Here are 2 videos that we handpicked just for you.